Hello, this is Matt from Jebbs Railroad. Got a couple new things to show you. We've got the Strasburg 7312 060 from TCA, Train Collectors Association, limited edition. We've got the B&O 4612 from Pat's Trains in Wheeling, West Virginia. Only about 12 were made. We've also went around and we've lit up a bunch of our buildings. Which has taken us about 2 years to do, but we finally got it done. Which I think everything looks a lot better all lit up. One of the new additions here is our Smith Brothers television appliance. I know Mark from Mark's Lionel Trains did a really nice video on this piece. I love the TVs on display. So we hope you enjoy this update. First car we'll be running will be all of our pup trailer cars. Got a couple of new additions here. Of course, everybody should recognize this one. That's George, Florida Railroad Dog, shipping worldwide. All these cars are really neat. I don't think you can get enough of them. So here we go. We've also got some really nice stickers here. Latest one come from Corey, 1976. Check out his channel. Make sure to subscribe. We've got Drew Steele. Several other ones here. Check out these guys' channels. Great channels. Like I said, this is just a quick little update. Nothing big. Just wanted to let everybody kind of see what's been going on here. Cold weather sets in. We'll be back again. Hope everybody enjoys the rest of their summer. And all their model railroading fun. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Jebbs Railroad. Also got to show you this really nice building here I had George make for me. It's a Rabbit Hash General Store located in Kentucky. He made the store there and I added the details to it. I think it's really nice. If you're interested, contact George. FLRailroaddog.com on his site. Or go check out his channel on YouTube, FL Railroad Dog.